happy that I'm doing something nice. I'm doing something with such fun people. Manish and Alexis are like an integral part of, you know. And the funny thing is, if one may say, superstition. Good evening. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब आए. Hey Manish, there's my rockstar Nari, Alexa, Alexis. Alexis and Alexa, they're cousins. One is available on Amazon and one is available on this stage. Awesome chemistry with you. Manish is a rockstar and she's a rockstar. Alexis, sensual video as you know me. But then the song is like that and you know, Ajay met me in July. हमने ये गाना किया और हमें ये नहीं पता था कि इसका अंजाम इस खूबसूरती से कल्मिनेट होगा वैलेंटाइंस डे पर. तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया गाने में and you know they have enjoyed it too and we presented this song now and it's for you to take it away, keep it in your hearts and you know give us your thumbs up. I'll let Manish and Alexis talk and I'll come back and sing the Mukla for you.
Yes, Manish, please. Okay, Alexis.
So when I heard the song, I really loved it, and especially Sir singing the song and being a part of this song was amazing. So I just did it, and we both, this actor has been so cooperative, and working with him was amazing. It was so comfortable enough to make this product come out, and wishing more and more best of luck from all of you. Thank you.
Manish.
Alright, so the minute I got to know that Aziz called me out the director of the video and he told me it's Kumar Kancha वाला video. मैंने कहा अरे यार ये तो करना पड़ेगा. और वैसे स्पेशलिटी ये है कि सर जब भी गाते हैं तो कभी फोन फूट जाते हैं, कभी प्यार की बारिश होने लगती है, पता नहीं क्या कनेक्शन है गीलेपन से है. And it's fabulous that we got to work for his video. Ajay sir produced this video and brought us all together. It is fabulous. And this little one, she's a friend for life. जितना सेट पे जितना सेंचुअलिटी देखा उससे कई ज्यादा बर्बाद हुई है. Because लड़की बर्थडे पर करना बर्थडे ही करती है. And yeah, we had a lot of fun shooting it, and I hope you have a lot of fun enjoying it. And it's like the apt time for this video come out, the Valentine's Day. So I hope this brings in more romance to your hearts. Yeah, thank you so much.
I want to say something that when I met Manish. Recently, I was singing for another film of his, and that's the first time I met him because recording के time पे obviously मैं सिर्फ अजय को मिला है. Then the idea when the song got recorded, थोड़ा इसका volume बढ़ाएंगे. So at that time, you know, I just sang it and I gave it my heart and soul. So हमें, you know, but the moment I met him about both, they're both very natural actors, and he is really nuts. You know, he loves doing what he does. I don't know her, but I've only seen her through the video. But I don't know. I hope he takes it as a compliment. But the madness that Ranveer Singh has, this boy has exactly the same madness. He is made for the film industry. He's not apologetic. He's not apologetic about being himself. He's not apologetic at all about how he dresses up, how crazy his dressing is, or how cool his dressing is, or how you know, he's just himself, and he's very bold. You know, like you see him, it's almost like he knows he's a star, and God bless him. And so with her acting, I feel the same. They both really vibe well, and once I get to know her, when we work further, I'll comment post because it'll sound very filmy if I say, yeah, she's also like that. But I'm an honest guy, but I know him and he's nuts. You know, in a good way.
And I'm interviewing here, which Mr. Kanal just mentioned at the radio interview, the same thing what he's saying now, that you know Manish reminds me of Ranveer Singh, and
we know offense because I think Ranveer Singh is the first superstar who's absolutely nuts in a good way. His sense of dressing is like crazy and so cool. It's like both extremes, and he loves being himself. He wears like yellow clothes and chashmas, but then that's so garnet, yeah, everything, and he's not apologetic about it. So you know, he's always putting his whatever step forward with as much suave and confidence. And I see that streak in him. And you know, God bless. And I hope this product as well. And I hope Apeksha Films as a record label, as you know, does very well and gives opportunities to all of us who've been around and new people. And I wish Ajay the very best.
Thank you so much. Sir, can we have a
Of course.
line of this?
Of course, I will. I'll sing the whole Mukta. तो हमने ये जुलाई में रिकॉर्ड किया था, तो ये कल ही प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास आया है. Because he's been busy making the film, so I'll sing the whole Mukta. Why not? I'll get Rishi. Rishi, you want to come up on stage? Rishi is a very dear friend of mine. We're both very dear friends. Rishi will play a little guitar and I'll sing. Why not? When I did Bhige Hot or when I did Humdam, I didn't know who I was singing for. So when I did this song, the common part is I didn't know who I was singing for. So maybe that is like a superstitious factor. And so, you know, I had no idea how Imran looked or Malika Sherawat looked, or for that matter, you know, because it was Vivek's first film also, Satya. So, and a few more songs like that.
So you see the video doing justice to your...
Well, yeah, it's fun and I think it will grow, and you know they're exactly personifying what the lyrics say. तो जो गाना है जो वो उसी को जी रहे हैं, so it's fun.
It was like a dream come true. This was like a fanboy moment for me. That it was Kunal sir coming. I had a lot more. All right. So I had a lot of questions also for Kunal sir. So when he was singing for the film, we had this question that ये जो नशीली आवाज है और ये जो नशीला surname है वो कहाँ से आता है? So we had a lot of these things to ask him and stuff. So for me it was like a fanboy moment, and I was like, oh wow, it's Kunal Kanjawala, let's just do it and stuff. And here we are, and then we had Alex, and that this was like again a pleasant surprise. This I knew, this I didn't know. So it was a pleasant surprise, and I think I have a friend for life.
तो मनीष जी कितना अभी वैलेंटाइन डे 40 को तो ये सॉन्ग है लॉन्च हुआ आपने वीडियो देखा तो जो कपल्स के लिए कितना अच्छा होगा ये सॉन्ग, कितना आपको क्या क्या उम्मीद है?
मुझे ये उम्मीद है कि जितने भीगे होठ तेरे जो कपल्स के लिए यूजफुल था, जितना उनको हार्ट वार्मिंग था, I think it's the same thing. It's his voice, the texture of his voice makes you feel romantic, and I think it's going to take every couple into that zone.
मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. आपने पूछा कपल्स हो तो कपल्स क्या आपने कपल्स कहा, कपल्स की कैपिंग नहीं की आपने. कपल्स वो 16 साल के भी हो सकते हैं और 76 इयर्स के भी हो सकते हैं. तो बिकॉज अक्सर क्या होता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. अभी मैं परसों में कोल्हापुर में था, तो वहाँ पे जब मैं क्राउड में एंटर हुआ, जब हमदम गाने में, तो उसके बाद क्राउड में 80 साल बूढ़ा आदमी मेरे को कान में आके बोलता है अब भीगे होठ कब गा रहे हो? तो कहने का मतलब, एंड आफ्टर द कॉन्सर्ट व्हेन आई मेंशनड दिस ऑन स्टेज, व्हेन आई वेंट 3-4 songs later I did भीगे होठ. So I said, there, that's you. There were about 5,000 people, and he stood up and he said, yes, meets aahe to, meets aahe. So the thing is, you know, not just Valentine's Day, but this is a song for love. You know, it's fun and it's about a moment, and that moment can come on 14th March. But yes, we've chosen 14th Feb because the kids like 14th Feb. But we are talking 365 24/7.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
If you want to add anything, like how was your whole journey throughout the shoot and everything?
Like it was amazing, of course, because I heard that it was Sir's song, so I was really excited. I'm going to be a part of it. Then I got to know Manish is there. I used to watch his serials, so I was like, okay, I had a bit crush on him. So I was like, okay, it's him. And then
I didn't know this.
so then I got to know him performing with him. It was really good, and the entire videos come out so well. So that's even more great.
Yeah.
And
The best part is we shot this video in less than a day.
Yeah.
It was like, it was quick. So the chemistry you see or everything that is, like Aziz did a fabulous job. The
Exactly.
entire production did a fabulous job. It was bang in there, and
Yep.
we got this product. So we're really happy about it.
क्योंकि मनीष आपको कई टीवी सीरियल मूवीज वगैरह में तो देखा है, बट एल्बम का एक्सपीरियंस आपका कैसा रहा और कितना एंजॉयबल था? लाइक इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रिप जो हम नहीं सकते, इतना आपने एंजॉय किया है.
I totally loved it because it's been a long time because television doesn't permit you time to do anything beyond. So this was my opportunity, and it was Aziz. You know, he's my bachpan ka friend, and I know he always does a fabulous job. So I was like, chal, let's just jump into it. And then he's like, wait a sec, I have more temptation for you. I was like, what? Then he took his name. I was like, yeah, I'm doing it. Of course I'm doing it. So that's how the thing is, and it was like coming back to music videos after ages because I have done music videos when it was the thing then, you know.
Yeah.
In between it kind of got diluted, and I'm hoping that, you know, the world of music videos come back again.
Yeah, and today singles are, it's a great thing because you don't have to do 7 songs or 8 songs. You compile एक गाना करके आप सिंगल रिलीज कर सकते हो. Do like a EP first, और उसके बाद 4 गाने करो, फिर maybe 8-10 songs. So it's a great time for independent music, and Apeksha is launching themselves, and it's great fun. Good products don't come that easy, and I'm glad this team came together, and because we do a lot of songs wo kabhi they never see the light of day. So I'm happy that this song kind of scaled itself up to this point.
Right.
सर आप दोनों से जाना चाहिए तो कोई मेमोरी आपको हमसे शेयर करनी हो, एक मेमोरी जो कभी आपके जहन से जाएगी नहीं, हमेशा एक
नहीं, वो हम लोग शेयर नहीं कर सकते.
सर आपने कहा वैलेंटाइन डे आप किससे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और कभी पुरानी यादें जो आप अगर शेयर करना चाहें, और वो कौन सा सॉन्ग होगा आपका जो आप वैलेंटाइन डे की आप अपने
मैं
वैलेंटाइन
आपको बताता हूँ, वैलेंटाइंस डे के दिन मुझे कॉल आया था AR रहमान सर के पास से, ओ हमदम सुनियो रे के लिए. मैं एम्पायर स्टूडियोज़ में आवारा पागल दीवाना का गाना कर रहा था सुनील जी और उदित नारायण जी के साथ, फ्रॉम मिस्टर अनु मलिक. और दैट्स व्हेन Shad came and met us. Shad Ali came and met us at Empire, and he gave me the tickets for the next morning's flight. So yeah, that's my memory of Valentine's Day. And for me, I'm a 24/7 guy. I wear my heart on my sleeve, but for my wife only. No, because you know what?
No, that clarification
हर
wasn't
उम्र का एक तकाजा है. No, because I said I wear my heart on my sleeve. Always, what you see is what you get.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
but yeah, I'm only love. I'm no head. I have इधर का तार कटा हुआ है. So that way we're pretty similar.
Yeah, that's why that
both
reflects in his
nuts.
voice. Yeah.
We're both-
Yes.
मनीष आपको रणवीर सिंह का खिताब दे दिया सर ने, मतलब
That's a huge compliment. I totally agree with him. I totally admire that guy. The day with Bajirao, I became his fan because a Bandra boy playing that kind of a character needs to be completely out of here. And he did it, and the way he did it, he has my complete dedication towards him. And sir comparing me with him is a huge compliment, and I express my gratitude from the bottom of my heart for that. Thank you so
I
much.
became a big fanboy of Ranbir, and I saw that streak in him, so I said it. Because saying this is not, our friendship is intact.
Yeah.
We are not going to get further mileage from each other, but we like each other's work. पर जब रणवीर सिंह ने काफ़ी साल पहले एक अवार्ड जब उसको मिला, सबसे पहला फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिला और सारे अवार्ड्स मिले, तब जिस तरह से वो स्टेज पर बच्चन साहब के साथ, शाहरुख खान के साथ, सलमान खान के साथ, उन सब के साथ जिस तरह से वो पेश आया कि that he's, for him the film industry is his world. वो दुनिया है उसकी. And even how he's getting married, how he just says whatever he has to say, and he doesn't care whether there are 100 cameras or nobody in the room. वो रणवीर सिंह 100% रणवीर सिंह है, जो दिखता है वही. तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा.
Wow. Thank you. Means a lot.
लास्ट फ्रॉम माय एंड, लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क कि जो आजकल म्यूजिक का दौरा बदला है, लाइक
अच्छे के लिए बदला.
अच्छे के बदला है, बट एक चीज मैं जानना चाहूंगी, लाइक आजकल काफी रीमेकिंग हो रही है सारे पुराने गानों की, नए कंपोजिशन हम लोग को बहुत कम सुनने मिल रहे हैं. व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग?
इसलिए आज हम ये गाना कर रहे हैं. हमने ओरिजिनल गाना किया है. अब दौर होता है ना, हर चीज़ का एक दौर होता है. ये भी दौर जाएगा. कुछ रीमिक्सेस अच्छे हैं, पर कम अच्छे हैं. मैं टोटली अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, पर थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ अगर रीमिक्स करें, रीमिक्स नहीं कवर, आज कवर्स हो रहे. एक ज़माना था जब रीमिक्स होते थे, बट उनको आप कवर कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ कवर करें तो और मज़ा आएगा. थोड़ा सा टाइम दे उसे, थोड़ा उसको अंदर उतरने दे के आप एक पर्टिकुलर गाना जो आप सुने हो, चाहे वो पंचम दा का हो, शंकर जयकिशन जी का हो, गोपी नैयर साहब का, उसको आप थोड़ा सा टाइम दें, उसमें फिर से एक बार कम्प्लीटली भीग जाएं, या उसको ऑब्जॉर्व करें एंड गिव इट ट्रू रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ व्हाट इज़ इन योर हेड. इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक तो है आज, यू हैव यूट्यूब, यू हैव तो मज़ा आएगा. बिकॉज बट लाइक अ मशीन थिंग इज़ हैपनिंग के इतने गाने, तो फिर उसमें कोई भी चीज़ बिगड़ जाए.
And I think it's about the marketing also, At the end of the day, we have to, the corporates are governing the whole business. So the entire idea of selling comes first, and then comes the making and the creativity. So it's always ads. So why not having the best of both the worlds,
बट ये कोई नई चीज़ नहीं है. ये 50s 60s में भी जब कोई चीज़ चल जाती थी तो वैसा ही कर मीनिंग they've not left all the greats also. Even I'm sure even Majru साहब
Javed Saab or Gulzar Saab and all the great writers and composers have been told कि अच्छा वो गाना बहुत सुपर हिट हो गया दूसरा वैसा गाना दे दीजिए वैसा तब भी हुआ था and I have confirmed that behind the as in not off the record all the great writers and composers who were around I asked them I said were the pressures there तभी तो बोले बिल्कुल थे तो नायर साहब का अगर गाना हो गया तो शंकर जयकिशन जी को भी वही प्रेशर हालांकि वो सब अपने आप में यहाँ एस डी बर्मन साहब को भी मदन जी को भी वो अलग बात थी कि वो सुनते नहीं थे प्रोड्यूसर का वो वही करते थे जो स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड करते पर था तभी भी वही कुछ बदला नहीं मुझे जब गाना भेजा तो मुझे गाना अच्छा लगा एंड हमें ये पता नहीं था कि इट विल कैटapult itself into becoming a single और इतना अच्छा you know we will get Manish to come in and do the video for it. So Apeksha was launching you know itself. तो मैं जुड़ गया उनके ओनर के साथ अजय जायसवाल के साथ. अजय आप हो? Yeah, okay.
This is the first time you are joining
That's Apeksha is joining hands with me because Apeksha is it's their first product.
So what do you say about this?
He's new, but you know I think he knows the business. उनको पता है because he's obviously a businessman and he knows how it works. So he's got audio, video and news. So you know he's got a space. He's got his own floor. जहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें तो आउटसोर्स कुछ करना नहीं है तो and I think he's got a plan in place. Digital, yes. I think time will tell because कोई भी चीज़ जब नहीं होती है तब वो ऐसे छप्पर फाड़ के आता है ना सब तो in time we will get to know but it's good because the more the merrier but छन्नी में जो अच्छा होगा वो फाइनली बाकी सब फ्लो हो जाएगा मगर जो रह जाएगा वो हमेशा अर्क रहता है ना उसका तो वील नो नहीं बॉलीवुड बहुत स्मार्ट है बॉलीवुड इज़ द बिग ब्रदर फॉर एवरीथिंग जो भी चीज़ पॉपुलर होती है विच नॉन बॉलीवुड होती है बॉलीवुड उसको अपना लेता है बॉलीवुड इज़ द बिग मॉन्स्टर बट इन अ गुड वे वो छोटी मछली को खाने के बदले वो अपने साथ जोड़ लेता है अपने पंख के नीचे यू नो सो इट्स दीज आर ऑल baby whales or baby sharks so the big whale mother whale father whale always instead of attacking they say that okay we can use this to better us तो फिर वो अपने पनाह में ले लेती है I've done some very nice work with Ajay Atul and they are very dear friends so I'm looking forward like Panipat also was we had kept it as a surprise वो I think film release के 2 महीने पहले हमने रिकॉर्ड किया the मन में शिवा song and the मर्द मराठा so there are some things but you know sometimes we have to keep it a little but जैसे आएगा तब हम आपको मिलेंगे बात करेंगे